3 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, half cup of butter or oil, 3 room temperature eggs, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons vanilla powder, and 1 medium orange zest. We add the butter or oil with the sugar together. Let's put that aside. And we whisk until they give us a one texture. Until they are like this. The eggs, vanilla, Nescafe or instant coffee, and the orange zest. Then mix together until they whiten a bit. After that, add the milk and mix. Mix until they give you a water-like texture. In a large bowl, add the flour, cinnamon, salt, the rest of the dry ingredients, and mix them together. And then add to it the main mixture. And mix until they all come into one substance. Some oil to the baking pan and spread it all around the pan. Sprinkle some flour and spread it around. Then add the mixture